also, I've got 6 sticks of butter. That's 1.5 pounds of butter. That's just gonna go into a sauce pot and melt down. While it's melting down, you want to give it a continuous stir. You obviously don't want to burn this butter, but you want to get it to start browning just a little bit. And if it starts foaming up, you're actually doing this right, but you do need to keep stirring this. You know, when it becomes this kind of light butterscotch color, you want to go ahead and turn the heat down to like low, because it's gonna get brown real fast. Then once it becomes this kind of dark toffee color, on a 9x13 baking sheet, I'm gonna go ahead and line that with parchment paper. Take that browned butter, see how caramely and toffee-like it got? I'm just gonna go ahead and pour this all over. Using your spatula is always a good idea. Don't splash it everywhere. You see all that brown butter coming up? Make sure you get all that brown butter on top of that parchment paper. Spread out that brown butter so that there's a little bit everywhere. And just be really careful, because obviously this is hot butter. If you don't want to touch it with your fingers, so use a really good spatula. Once you've got all that brown butter kind of spread out everywhere, like so. Gonna come in with some of this Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse seasoning. We're only gonna be using 1 teaspoon. Just kind of sprinkle that all over the top. You can use any kind of steak seasoning for this if you like. And add just a little bit, like 1/2 teaspoon on top, just so I can get this part up here. And then this is gonna go into freezer for 1 hour. This just came out of the freezer, and take a look, it's all become one whole sheet. This is the best snack for the holidays if you're doing like 0 sugar, you're doing keto, you're doing like, what is it? Low sugar, high fat. This is a perfect dessert for you. All you have to do is just break these. And look, you have these like little toffee pieces. And keep breaking these up. Kind of like a bark. Kind of like a toffee. Like a keto butter toffee. That's gonna be so good. I'm gonna show this side as well, because it looks so good on the underside. Little caramel action. Go ahead and break up the whole piece if you want. Then I'm gonna go ahead and try this one. Oh, that little steakhouse seasoning really makes it pop. You have to make this. You're trying to do a sugar-free holiday. This is the perfect snack for you. Carnivore toffee. Mmm.